1, 2, triple step, boom, tap, boom, tap, boom, and tap, boom, tap, boom, tap. This is everything you learned tonight. We started with a side pass. Everyone swings away going 1, 2, 3, and 4. She walks back and forth on her little diving board, kind of like a little runway model doing her thing. At some point we can go in, out, triple step, do it again. In, out. The in, out is what gives her preparation to spin. We can also do the same thing with 2 hands. 1, 2, triple hold, landing on that tap as we bounce away for the boom. Boom, tap, boom, tap, boom, and tap, boom, and tap. You can rinse and repeat. Go back to your easy stuff after you give her a little sauce. Boom, tap, boom, and tap, boom, tap, boom, and tap. You can bounce her over there however many times you want. We also showed the double version. 1, 2, triple step, boom, tap, boom, tap. Right hand goes between your faces. From here we can bounce her around for another boom, tap, boom, tap. Bring her back over, doing both of those back to back. 1, 2, triple step, boom, tap, boom, tap, boom, and tap, boom, tap, boom, tap, boom, and tap. And then the saucy version for today is going to be this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bounce, tap, bounce, tap. Bring her around both sides if you want to. I've been DJ John Paul. This has been the lovely Lauren. Thank you, Roundup Night Club.